which is dealing in agriculture product like rice and rice product. They are selling, they are doing this domestic uh, selling of the rices along with the export also. They are doing more export at the Arab countries, and having a good brand, rice brand, Maharani brand rice. They are selling the rices. So if you see the one day chart, weekly chart, and monthly, yearly, 5 year, and maximum chart. So the actual trend, it is saying that the company is having a lot of fluctuation. Some basically high risk company, beta is also high with comparison to the Sensex. So the person who is having taking high risk can invest in this company. Always take advice from your advisor. So I'm using here the ticker tap app website, and where you can see all this analysis. So in this particular ticker tab there is very good functionality called SIP. The SIP means that how much you will invest, how much you will get. So during this maybe last year to last year, when you see this overall performance of stock, it is basically going very low, like, and you return, you invest 4,000 but you will get 2,000. But after this lockdown, when all stocks are running up, this stock was also running up. So but the overall return is not so good. But the company and fundamental we are going to check now. So number one, the matrix, if you check here, the P ratio is 7.08, PB ratio, price to book value, is 2.12, dividend is 0.5, sector P is 49. So current P is very less than the sector P. Sector price to book value is 8.59, but the company's price to book value is 2.12. So there are a lot of basically maybe the price can move to higher on after you can see the company is reasonably very low price, and it is trailing and going below the intrinsic value. Okay, so forecast and rating, there is no forecast and rating for this company. The reason behind that, this company is not very highly recommended, not in the large cap and maybe mid cap. It is a micro and a small cap company. You can read about something about the company here. Chaman Lal Setia is an India's based manufacturer, export of basmati rice, also offering non-basmati rice such as Sugandha, Sabarmati, Pril, and Sona Masuri. Some of the peer company, Ruchi Soya is given return 60% in 1 year, Avanti Feeds 18%, KRBL a 9 point. It is KRBL given negative return. KRBL is one of the brand of India Gate Rice. So yeah, Tasty White is very high PE stock, given 53% return in 1 year. Similarly, Venky's India given 89% return. Okay, but talk about this company, Chaman Lal. If you see that the last 4 year return, you will see the sales are growing very good. They are maintaining good profit margin also. Okay, holding trend, you can see the promoters low holding, mutual holding no holding from the last one, no mutual fund holding. Outcome of the board meeting, the some outcomes is cash dividend, see all event, you can see all events here. Let's check the financial, see more financial statement. So when you go into the more financial, you will see the higher than industry revenue. So company is giving more higher return than the industry's revenue growth. Increasing market share. So number two is that the company is increasing their market share. In the last 5 years, the company has increased market share from 0.7 to 1.5. And you can see the annual review here when you see the total revenue. So if you check 2012 data, the company's revenue was 218 crore. But if you check 2021, it's 854 crore. Excellent improvement in the sale. EBITDA is also improving every year. So you can see 71 to 64 to 81 to 201 and 21. Similarly, EPS is also increasing year by year. You can see that now EPS is 15.8. Perfect. So EPS is also improving. Now check the balance sheet. Okay, in the balance sheet we will check total equity, shareholder equity. You can check shareholder equity is 5.17, 5.23 earlier when the company started in year 2012. Equity capital of 5.12. Now equity capital is 5.17, which is very good sign. Company is maintaining very good equity capital scenario. Means the company is having good financial knowledge employee in the company. Total liabilities also you can see increasing because their equity capital reserve and surplus also increasing. So other equity capital and shareholder equity is also increasing every year. Current liabilities is also not so high. So last year was 124, this year is 121, very good. Okay, non-current asset is also, you can see that it is increasing every year. This year 47 non-current asset. Current asset is also increasing. You can see how much current asset the company. Just click on here, you will see the other current asset, like current asset of the company is 46. Here the non-current. Okay, cash and equivalent, it is company is maintaining good cash here. Okay, so this is a very good example of company's report. So you can see the cash equivalent is also maintaining very well. Receivable is 100 crore. Total inventory, you can see inventory is very high of the company, like 213 crore inventory for the financial 2020. Very nice company is actually maintaining. So someone can invest in this company. Cash flow, if you check that, cash flow of the company is also increasing very well. And this year, last year, you can see the cash was, free cash flow was 43 crore. Maybe it is generated from operations. So you can also see the annual report here, other annual every year annual report you can see here. This is very good company for investment, but only high risk trader can take and buy this stock. And please take your financial advisor advice from financial advisor before making any decision. Thank you. Have a nice day. Sweet dream.